Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 136. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here and 3 and 5 here, so this must be our 6. That 3 and 5 means this is our 1. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. If we look at this top row, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 4, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 7. Nine here, so 4, 8. 8 here, so 4, 9. And no help here, 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 5 here, so 4, 8. 8 here, so 4, 5. 5 here, so 4, 8. That means the only place the 5 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. We've got 1, 6, and 7 here, so this is our 2. That 6 and 7 means this is our 1. I don't see up. And then we've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 4, 9, 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 9. And no help here, 4, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. No help here, 4, 7, 9. And no help here, 4, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, and 7 here means this is our 3. We've got the 7 here, so 1, 4, and no help here, 1, 4, 7. But for this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7, and we've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. If we look back at this box now, the 7 can't be here anymore, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these 2 boxes, so our 2 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 9 here, so 4, 6. 1 here, 6 here, so 4, 9. Just the 6 here, so 1, 4, 9, and just the 9 here, so 1, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 here and a 3 here, so 4, 9. 7 here, so 4, 3, 4, 9. And the 3 here, so 4, 7, 9. So if we look now, the only place the 3 can be in that box is here. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 6, 9. But if we look at this bottom row now, the only place that a 2 can be is here. And the only place a 6 can be is here. We can get rid of this 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 covering these two and a 1 covering here, so the only place the 1 can be is here. And now that means the only place the 4 can be in this box is here. That 4 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9, this 9, this 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here. So our 6 must be here. All right, let's do some looking here. We've got this 7 here, which makes this our 4, 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 4. That 9 makes this our 8. That 4 makes this our 9, 8, 4, 7, 9, 7, 4. And we'll do some cleanup here. That 4 makes this our 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 4, 1, 4, 1, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.